back again to Wade Fine Arts. In this video I am going to be showing you how to do this cloud slash splatter effect with these stencils as well as with an airbrush. And so I will have links to the stencils and all of the equipment used in this video in the description below. And I will be using this white airbrush spray paint that comes with the Master's Touch kit, and you want to make sure that you shake it well. And let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take the desired effect stencil and hold it over in front of the canvas, and then hold your air sprayer just a few inches from the canvas, and then lightly spray over the areas that you want to apply to the canvas. And as you can see, you could kind of already see the cloud effect coming in, and then I will be going back over and putting some more down to kind of give it even more depth and more contrast and texture. Again, just holding it down over the canvas and then lightly spraying the areas that I want to apply the effect. Now I am just kind of holding the airbrush a little bit closer to the thing, and just using what little bit of paint was left in the airbrush, just kind of give it a misty effect. And then I will turn the stencil around and use a different part of the stencil and begin spraying some more texture over to the areas that I have already laid some pattern down to cut, because you want these patterns to overlap to give it more depth. Again, just lightly misting the top of the canvas to give it a more misty and faded background, for it to fade into the background. Okay, again, just using those different parts of the stencil to apply some more layering to the stencil effect to give it more depth. And then I sprayed another light layer to kind of make that fade into the background. And here's the finished effect, and you can see that by layering them it pushes the other layers into the back. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you got something out of this video.